That's not my power. My power is my legs when I'm fighting. Haksha!
What my slime? I turned a different color. I couldn't stay.
I'm going right and get that surgery. My date is August 7th. For years free. I don't want to
Looks like
go
a
to
jar of
Dominican Republic
lotion.
because if something go wrong.
But it's really not a jar of lotion.
Oh, where? Oh, then you can be.
It's really not a jar of lotion. A slime. Let's get straight into the video.
My surgery is my mind is already set. It's already set. If it wasn't set, then you would have been told you that. Shit, I ain't fake rich no more. Right. Yeah, but your stomach is not even as big as mine.
So guys, I get this just container because this was made with what's that called? Detergent. So yeah, glue and detergent, but you just put it in a container. So
I ain't gonna tell nobody. Your titties got bigger though.
Says make your own.
That's where your
Says
weight goes.
make your. Excuse me. Make your own crazy slime. DIY.
Lie behind you this time. Nope.
It's very sticky.
I bought Depo, honey. That I've been on it for 3 years, and for 3 years I ain't get pregnant yet. But I gotta get off though because I'm getting the surgery in August. But I ain't doing nothing. I ain't do nothing for like 4 months. I just up it one time within 4 months. I'm on. I do, but I don't feel like it. I'm not in the mood. And I got a few little obstacles, people, but I'm good. Mind you, yo, Diddy was on me. He was like, yo, I'll come live with you. We be together. I pay bills. I was curbing Diddy so much. I'm so happy. Tomorrow, Saturday's the funeral. Tomorrow's the service. I'm so happy I curbed him because if I ain't curbed him and it was like, yeah, come on, I would have been in some real shit. Them bitches were DMing me about, yeah, I got a shirt made and everything. Let me show you the shirt.
I made the bean.
You put the sugar and everything?
Yeah, I put the sugar in everything.
Yeah, they was hating on me. Hating, okay? They was hating on my post. And it was his baby mother. I want to beat her up so bad. And I probably will if she did. This is the back. Thank you, Plaza. It was a new heart.
You're the only one that got that?
There you go. I think it's for a 5. Ashley, she said she gonna go with me. She said, cause them bitches is not gonna be playing with you by yourself. I said, they was on it like that. She was like, yeah, they was on you now. They was staring, pointing. One girl was like, I was just admiring your shirt. And I was like, thanks. Ashley was like, she was being funny. I said, but I know the girl, me and the girl at work. I said, I don't feel like wasting my energy.
Second and onesie on is like very like.
If I waste my energy, it's not gonna be. I'm gonna get locked up for what? All the cops and everything was out there. That bitch is gotta go even get the energy of her talking about me and Diddy's shirt. She gonna get all my other pain and frustration. It don't make sense to me.
Ooh, that one good. I want to taste that one.
Yeah, that's why I said fuck it.
Mom, can you save me some of those? Drink it all. I'm sorry, y'all. Son.
I told her, it's gonna be drama. Alright, it's gonna be
So,
fun because
y'all,
it's
yesterday
some
was
Philly
my,
niggas that
today
did
was
that
my
shit.
sleep
So,
test.
you know,
Yesterday
they
was
think
my
people
sleep
don't know.
test.
And
Today
Bubba
my
was like,
sleep
yeah, cause we got.
test. And
And yeah,
that's it. I
he was
got
messing
two
with
more.
the
I got a
girl.
science
The
sensitive.
girl left her man to be
And
with him.
I
He
forgot
was
the
with her
other
for a
one.
little while. Had a baby, had twins with her. Left her. She went back to the other man. And the man, she had him running into him while he was riding the bike. Yep, but the mother don't know. The mother don't know what really happened. She think it's just an accident. And I told Papa, I don't want to ruin y'all viewing, but I'ma just stay in the back because I will fuck that girl up. She about to be tight. I walk in there with my shirt on proud, like they about to be real mad, big mad. And y'all got a problem? What's up?
Ma, you so loud.
Cause I was the only one out there that can do like with the shirt like that. Yeah, he too good. And before the story got to me, I'm like, he's too fucking good. On the bike, oh, he was running the red light. Then he's not running no red light unless he know he got it. He's not doing that. He know how to avoid kids. And then in the pictures, it was like he was holding on to the bike. He died in the hospital. He lost too much blood. Girl, it was the boy he was riding with, the boy bike on top of his bike. And it spun, but then he didn't let the bike go. He was spinning with the bike. But that shit was flying. That shit was flying. His mother seen me. His mother beat me twice. She beat me for gaining so much weight, and she beat me for not coming to the hospital. Cause she was sick. She had 2 strokes. And Diddy was trying to. Yeah, Diddy told me. Me and Diddy we was talking deep. I got all his messages. Yo, the day before that Saturday morning, he said, I don't feel right. He said, good morning. I said, damn, you up early? It was like 8 in the morning. He was like, I don't feel right. I think I need to leave. I said, but you can't leave because you on tubes and it was raining before Easter. He was like, I don't feel comfortable. I said, so what the fuck you mean? Make yourself comfortable, nigga. And he was like, nah, I can't eat and I can't sleep here. Like, I don't feel comfortable. And then I checked on him like 2 hours later. I was like, you good? He was like, yeah, I'm good. I went and got another bite. And then 11:03 that night, he texted me and said, I miss you. And then I texted him back, being mad at me, you do. And that was the last of our conversation. And when he left here Wednesday, he was only here for like 15 minutes. He was like, he was like, when I come back, I'm gonna come back to the crib. I'm gonna lay down with you. I was like, all right. And sure enough, he never made it back. But I'm happy I didn't let him underneath me like he wanted to because I would have been fucked up. And he been trying to get underneath me for months. Months. I told his brother the messages and everything. He felt something was wrong. Yeah, he said, I don't feel right. Something not right. I don't need to stay here. I wish I would have suggested it. If I would have let him come with, if I would have been with him, we wouldn't have been going to no fucking Philly like that. And I kept saying, yo, why you keep going to Philly like that? Your twins is only like 3 months old. They gonna miss you. Black. The girl got like 7 kids. His twins made 9. As he wanted 10 kids. I'm glad I dodged that bullet. Then so wasn't it? Stop. Norino asked me. He asked me like last month sometime. I told him no. For what? You should have did that 4 abortions ago. How about that? I'm about to go get my surgery done, and you think, you want to have a kid, so you gonna have no choice but tell your mother you got a kid coming, and then you want to introduce me. Fuck out of here. Grow some fucking balls. How about that? Yeah, then he gonna call, ask my grandfather for my hand in marriage. We're united together now. So embarrassing. He called Quadir, but Quadir never answered the fucking phone. Is my child sleep on the floor? Oh no, she up. Miracle. Yeah, a little grown ass.
So, yeah.
I leave my pancake alone.
She got urgent care. No, I mean, nursery. Check her out.
I was doing Montague. Straight from Montague, I came home. Yeah. Nope. They said it looked like she got lung cancer. Yeah, in her upper right lung.
Yeah, it's fun to play with this
They
slime.
said they're gonna do the biopsy to double check, but that's what it looked like. No, we can't get a break. And it wasn't because if she ain't never fall, she would never knew. But it's only 2 centimeters. She is only 2 centimeters big. Right, she's 2 centimeters big. So that's like that. If she can do minor surgery, remove it. Instead of doing 2 centimeters, they can do like 4 centimeters to her tissue of her lungs.
Mommy, I want food.
I know it's cooking. She get
Hello.
Miracle's saying hi. She said hi, bad girl.
I'm not bad.
All right, y'all. Love y'all. Peace. I'm gonna call the house.
Always. Leave the fuck alone. That's mine. No,
I mean, one more poke.
I asked for Skittles.
I'm so happy. I have enough money.
I only have $1.
She thought about you want Skittles, y'all. I don't have enough money.
You broke.
You don't need Skittles and you need shit. I wasn't invited.
Love ya. Peace.